You're standing in front of the Kinetic Company's 84-inch Blanchard. This machine has a 96-inch swing inside the water guards and has a 150 horsepower spindle. Right now we're step grinding a part. It's 90 inches corner to corner.